Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Diki Muhammad. I'm from ICT1. Here I want to explain how to solve a problem using simplex methods. So as you can see here, there is a problem that we should solve. So the z max equal 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x2, and also have the constraint. The first constraint is x1 plus x2 plus x3 smaller equal to 9, and then 2x1 plus 3x2 smaller equal to 25, and the last one is x2 plus 2x3 smaller equal to 10. So how to solve this problem? So actually the first step to solve this problem is we have to convert the objective, the z max value here, and also the constraint into the canonic function. So basically canonic function, we just have to put the s1, s2 and s3. So for the constraint here, as you can see, the x1 plus x2 plus x3, so we just have to add the s1, so plus s1 equal to 9. And also for the rest of the constraint, it's same, we just have to put the s2 and s3. And then for the z max, we just have to count it like this: z minus 2x1 minus 4x2 minus s1 minus s2 minus s3 equal to 0. Why it becomes 4x2? Because there is a minus 3x2 and minus x2, so we just have to count it and becomes minus 4x2. So after we converted the objective and constraint into the canonic function, we have to make the simplex table. So we have to make the first simplex table here, and also we have to put the variable from the constraint and from the objective that we have converted into the canonic function. After we make the table here, the first table, we should define the key column here. So key column is the most minus in the column, so there is the key column here. And also we should define the key row. So key row is based on the lowest ratio. So as you can see here, 25/3, so it means the lowest one. And then after that we could know what is the key number. So the key number is 3 here. After we know the key number, as you can see here, in the 0 there is still a minus. So because of that, we should make new table here like this. And how to put it like this is just by count it with the new formula. So here the key row is from the s2, so we just put the x2 here, and then how to put the x2 here, we just have to times, actually we just have to divide it, this key row to the key number. So like 0 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3, and then the result is going to be like this, like the in the x2. After that, we should find the s1 and s3. So how to define the s1 and s3 is by counting like this. So we should have the formula first. So we should find the s1 first here. So we put the value from the S1 here from the first table and we put it here. After that, we have to minus with the x2 from the second table, and we times 1. Why 1? Because the key number here from the S1 is 1, and it also the same to do with the S3 and the Z value. After we divide all of the value here and we put it into the table here, as you can see in the table, there is no minus value here on the Z column or the Z row. So it means that the research has reached the optimum solution. So that's all from me. Thank you. I'm sorry for all the mistake that I've made. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.